you that we deeply appreciate these things and we understand the impacts that it would have in our economy and in terms of creating jobs for our people.
I just want to make a promise that this hospital will be one of the best this country has to offer. One of the best in West Africa. A hospital that will enable the citizens of the state, Nigerians, to receive the best quality care possible.
Indeed, Your Excellency, our people clamor for basic health services. You not only provided that, you went beyond to provide comprehensive healthcare services to our people.
You are not just transforming the primary, secondary, tertiary, and now quaternary levels of healthcare. You have built a specialist dental hospital just down the road. And you have not finished. From what I hear, by the time you finish with this state will be competing with Lagos State.
This is a significant adjustment, Your Excellency. The quaternary healthcare facility that is coming up in Enugu. In this facility, it's a 300-bed multi-specialist facility with 250 inpatient beds and 50 procedural beds, aimed to revolutionize the healthcare landscape in Enugu State and beyond by setting new benchmarks in medical services, education and research. It will offer the broadest range of specialized medical services in this region and beyond. General medicine will be found here. An emergency department will be found here. Surgical services will be available. Obstetrics and gynecology services will be available. The children will be attended to in pediatrics. An intensive care unit will exist. Cardiology specialists will be taken care of. Even cancer care, oncology will be taken care of. There will be the neurology suits. There will be radiology and imaging. All forms of imaging. And then we will bring, the Excellency is going to bring the top form of imaging, SPECT CT, fluoroscopy, and all forms of sounding. Laboratory services will be found here, and pharmacy services will be available. Ladies and gentlemen, even the auxiliary services will not be left out. Top-notch nutrition will be available here. Physical therapy and rehabilitation. Biomedical engineering and medical gas production will be here also, with mortuary services and all whatnot. Health information will not be lacking. Social services will be available. And Your Excellency, the best and top-notch administration is what you have planned to give us here. You have not stopped at this. This was a mother and child hospital and is turning into a 300-bed multi-specialist hospital. And then even with the scourge of infectious diseases, you have extended, Your Excellency, to also scope that we will have an infectious disease complex here with laboratory and a research center right in this facility. And it will complement what you have already done with allowing the Enugu State government to invest into the DNA Learning Center that we have collaborated also with the Godfrey Okoye University. So DNA technology will assist disease control, and all this will be available in Enugu.
I'm very delighted to stand before you today to perform this very important task. Former flag of our 300-bed Enugu International Hospital. This 300-bed Enugu International Hospital will offer advanced and specialized health care services. It was carefully designed to mop up the market share in the medical tourism space. So everything we're doing here was carefully designed. And as you know, this is also going to address the challenges we have at the tertiary level of our medical care. You already know the interventions we've made in both the primary healthcare sector and the secondary healthcare, with the construction of 260 Type 2 primary healthcare centers across our state. And also, we're also attending to currently 22 cottage and general hospitals across the state. Again, so if you will, what we're doing here today again is connecting the dots in the healthcare sector, making sure that we are fully covered, both at the primary, the secondary, and the tertiary levels of our health care. By the time this hospital is done, the extensive travel abroad for medical or to seek medical services will come to an end. People will now have Enugu as their destination for medical tourism. It's also going to be equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, and we intend to attract top-notch professionals. We intend to work with our, as you know, Enugu State has produced about the best medical doctors in the world, we can proudly say. And we've already started receiving calls from those our sons and daughters that are overseas who are interested in coming to express their professionalism on our soil. And so we would also be taking this opportunity to invite them, those that are here and those that are in the diaspora, to come down, of course, and know that this place is open for them with the best and state-of-the-art facility they can get anywhere in the world. They can come right here and express their professionalism. It is also going to be a training and research hub. We expect that our students who are being trained would have access to the facilities here, and they would be trained with the best facility you can get anywhere in the world. So on that note, it is indeed my pleasure to invite you for the formal flag of this